Alright, and we are go. Yeah, what's up everybody on YouTube? This your boy breaktube, this man Dr. Ken 2K. Got a very special video for y'all today. I gotta thank my boys, I can't think of their name right now, all three of them on YouTube. All my Russian friends out there, y'all came through, man. I'm like, you know, this is a Final Fantasy and Dragon Quest Itadaki Street special for the PS2. And you know, I got this game imported a while back and I'm playing the mess out of it. But, you know, it's kind of in Japanese, so it's kind of difficult to play, but it's still easy to play. But my friends from Russia, man, I talked to them about this game and they're like, hey man, we can translate this into English, man. We got nothing but free time over here. I like, cool. So they've been working on this for a long time and it's pretty much in English, man. I'm out here holding the camera. I let this man Dr. Ken 2K show you this English version of this. So you can go ahead and press circle, Dr. Ken.
I press X.
Hey, it can be confusing. And as you can see, man, this is like all in English more or less, man. I don't know why he's speaking Japanese, but it's like, as you can see, most of the stuff is in English. So I haven't unlocked Spirit Tourney mode yet, but let's go to free play, man. And probably me and you two people. Alright. But yeah, Dr. Ken, man, you played this a couple times, man. What do you think about it?
It's pretty cool, man. I love this game.
Yeah, it's kind of like, you know, Dragon Quest, Final Fantasy, Monopoly. You got all these weird boards and stuff to play on. You got stocks and all this stuff. I said it's a really fun game, and I suggest anybody, you know, get this English patch, man. I'm going to put the link to the people, you know, on this video so you know where to get it at. Our hero. And that's me, Nash, short for Nashville.
And evil lady.
Yeah, the evil lady that we can't seem to beat, and her best friend, or whoever.
Spunky.
Okay, we can get her. Alright. You can go to change, because we can change, like, well, no, we can confirm, because what, now we got the English patch, you can change, what you call it? I'm trying to think. You can change how much worth you have to get on each stage. Okay.
Good, man.
Alright, man. As you see, I have not unlocked everything, so I'm saying, I'll let you pick any stage you want, man. It's on you, Dr. Ken.
Oh, we did this one before.
Okay, let's do it. And then it should be an option of setup at the bottom, and now you can we'll change to like like target custom. And then just press circle and then like just a 1 right there. Yeah, you know, it'll be a quick game. Alright, you want a lot?
You know what? Marcos might want to play.
Yeah, okay, we can do it.
Would you want to play this game, Marcos?
Okay, we can change the 1 and then we get done. You probably hop in and stuff. Alright, so you just go to the...
It just be... It's like,
okay.
Nah, there you go.
Okay.
Wow, bust.
Okay, bust. Pretty much what bust is like how many people will go bankrupt for the game will end.
Okay.
Because it's like, you know, usually when one person goes bankrupt on here, usually the person with the highest worth just wins automatically, you know.
Thank God.
And if you want, you can probably want to keep traders on so we can trade. We must win at all costs against the computer.
It's not just a game.
Yeah, even though it just is. I think it's the bottom when you press circle, I think. Yeah.
That was
I think that was it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, because now it's going to be randomized, and you just press circle, and we get to see who goes first.
Well, okay.
Like I said, again, this is Dragon Quest Final Fantasy Itadaki Street. Best game ever, man, to play with 4 people. And all you need is 1 controller, man.
Yep, that's all.
1 controller.
For you cheap guys out there that want to go to GameStop and buy another joystick.
Right. And now they got this translation patch out. Hey, it's from Final Fantasy X, man. Oh, cool. I said, I finally beat this game, man. I had the international version, man. All in English. Dark Aeons. They're too good, man. Too good. I only need 1. So, I said, I'll let Dr. Ken show you. Like I said, it's pretty much like a regular game. You roll the dice, move around by property. And if you land on one of those, you get like a little chance card. And since it's the English patch, it'll actually tell you what it does. Like a little devil comes.
Oh, not him.
Yeah, but you know we don't got no property yet, so we're okay.
Straight, you can't do nothing.
Oh, the last episode Naruto, I think Sasuke killed Itachi. Yeah, it's one of them. I can't remember. I haven't watched them in a while.
So where do I want to go from one?
Oh, I got you. Well, anyway, y'all, that's it for now, man. Like I said, it's all English, man. Love it. Break out.
Keno.